What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? How everyone doing? How everyone doing? Everyone? What's up, everyone? This is Tech Denver for my new viewers. How everyone doing this Saturday night? Football, basketball, uh, all these games coming on tonight. College football is really big on TV. Saw a couple of games. It was Washington and Michigan. They are playing pretty good. I had a cup of brew of that right there. Okay, well, let me introduce myself. Give me a little bit of background for my new rules. This is Tech Talk. It's all about technology. I'm basically educating everybody, learning everyone about technology, the prevention, how technology works, how technology can help you in your everyday life. Our topic today is phishing, how to protect yourself online from scams and attacks. Let me give me a little bit of background myself, because I know you want to know a little bit of background. But that's like any other person on this line, try to give you advice about technology and how to protect yourself on the internet. Give you little bit background myself. I have a associate degree in science and information technology. What I had studied in that 2-year degree, I did computer networking, I did program, I did system analysis, I was dealing with understanding the system, did a little bit working on the computer system, did some programming, did security, and most importantly, the business management end of it, the business side of technology. I did that. I did a 2-year degree that at a community college. Before it was a community college, it was a junior college. I did a 2-year degree in that particular school, great school. I really enjoyed my time at that college. I really enjoyed my 2 years at Palm Beach State College. Now it's called Palm Beach State College, but back then I was in school. I have some relatives. It was junior college. Then it changed into Palm Beach Community College. Now it's a state college. I'm surprised now it's a 4-year college. Didn't know the potential of that school. I know it's going to be a 4-year college in the future, and it really came to choose. Schools became a 4-year college. After a while, I said, let me kind of pursue a little bit higher education. I went back to school. I earned my bachelor's degree in information technology. It's a great small liberal arts school in South University. What I did is it was an in-depth curriculum in information technology. I earned a Bachelor of Science degree. What I have studied is security. I did database design and management, administration, computer server, website design administration, database design administration. I did business management end of it. And most important, I did project management. I did work on that project management side of that business, and also to enjoy the business. And just the strong core of it, but not maybe concentrate on information technologies. Also the business side of it. If you want to learn numbers and counting, we also did work on that area. But it was a well-rounded degree. I was really proud of myself. I earned my bachelor's degree, and it's a well-earned degree. I work on that. Now, yes, let's hit on the topic. What is most important? How to protect yourself on the internet from scammers and attackers. Most of the well-known attack by email, they call it phishing. I had talked last Saturday on my live stream. Phishing is somebody who, the word is phishing itself is somebody who pretends to be somebody you know. It might be a message from Facebook, and it might be your friend, and it's pretending you say you want to know, and person didn't want to give out personal information from you. Or it could be an institution you're well known. This might be like Bank of America, social media site, and they're asking for your social security, your bank number, and that was this phishing. It's the word phishing. They are phishing, try to get information from you, and that's the kind of thing is right there. Is what, how to really notify you, really know what the website might be, or the ticket, it might website you know is a brand you know, like uh, Amazon, but it's really not a legitimate site. What you can do to prevent that, anything like that, you can go on your computer, go on to what your internet browser is, if it's Netscape, Microsoft Internet Browser, and it's an area you click. It's like a three line from your right. You click that, you click your tab, and actually put in your information. If it's a Bank of America where fall goes, you can type that inside your web browser, and that can verify it. That's a legitimate email. But that particular email, a rep then you get your email, and they ask you all these personal questions: your Social Security, your uh, bank account number. Most banks do not ask you by email that kind of personal information. This basic common sense. Just delete it. But you can verify by using the tab. You can verify your bank account number. But what they are doing, they think is the web browser or the URL. You think is web address. You think it's legitimate. Once you click on it, it directs you to a different website, and that's how they call it. It's particularly it's phishing. Or it could be something, do I say something, it could be urgent, saying it's something you're going to be get canceled. It's very perceived, very persuasive phishing is by email. It also can be attachment or link. And one of the messages they can say, really a lot of people get really tricky, it can say something urgent like this. You may be canceled of anything, like if it's Amazon, your account might be canceled or something like any kind of penalty or miss out of any kind of special deals or like Best Buy. You click on the site, you think you're gonna get a special deal for an item, and then they ask you for your customer numbers, anything like that, and that's the way they get you. They basically try to feed information, try to get like a bait, fishing bait. Once they hook that bait and try to hook you for get all that information from you. That's the base of fishing. But I always say my previous last friends, they always have programming, they have special antivirus program. If it's Norton antivirus, they have many antivirus programs to protect you from phishing, but that's a rare known attack, and it always happen in email, rare known as in the social media. So I get phishing. People who I know through Facebook, I get emails saying to click on that link, and you can really clicking on, you can contact that person, contact your friends, and find out if you really send me an email saying to click on that particular link or anything like that. Even at work, people have a lot of trainings, and it might be your boss or your coworkers at your workplace, and then they send you a link, and then say, okay, if I sort of click on that link, rather than giving them a call and say, did you send me so-so? Did you send me an email about something I need to be click on it to do a project? And you can contact your having your own workplace through your company email account, employee email account. Okay, we did a little bit about phishing. We'll work on that there. If anyone have any questions, dealing with internet security, we can do a little 10 and 15 to 20 minutes of Q&A. I'm going to set this email up right now. Set this chat room open up. I'm going to open up the chat room right now. Okay. Set it up here. Set up the chat room. Yeah, I'm streaming through YouTube and Facebook. I'm working on Twitter, Twitch, couple of social media sites here, but basically the two sites I'm really chatting, I'm just streaming is through Facebook and and YouTube. Okay, let me have a drink of water right here while I'm setting up this email account here. Sending about 20 minutes Q&A. Okay, yeah, we got it set up now. What antivirus program I'm using right now? Yes, I'm using Norton. I'm using Norton's antivirus package. I'm using that right now. There for my system. I have also downloaded on my laptop, and then I have my PC. Then I have it installed on my smartphone. Because you know one thing about it, a lot of people never know. Say, okay, never think you'll get attacked on your smartphone. They only think it might be your desktop computer or laptop computer. Your smartphone is vulnerable. It's not many people protecting their smartphone. They surf the internet, but they never protect their smartphones and protect it for any antivirus. They kind of just let it free. It's like you also once you're on the internet, once you are prone to get any attack once you're surfing on the internet because it's a computer network. Internet is a network of networks of computers operated. You are not really directly through your internet provider. The internet provider is you connected to the internet provider, and then the internet provider is connected to computer networks of networks, and that's the internet. Okay. What's best internet service provider is the best choice? You can surf the internet and find out the best provider. Are you talking about antivirus programs? Oh, yeah. You can surf the internet and you can find the best provider. For me, I use Norton. I'm not a spokesperson for Norton antivirus programs. I'm not a spokesperson for Norton, but I have it installed on my systems. But they have many out there. I think we had discussed that. And if you're losing last week, I read last Saturday, if you're losing it, want to use a free version of the internet, the antivirus program, Microsoft have one. Microsoft Essential, that's a free antivirus program. There's no adware on that program. I call that's one of the best free antivirus programs, Microsoft Essential. But but they have many more antivirus programs out there. Password, how to create password. Yes, I wanted for the user password manager. You can get a software for password, set up your password, organize all your passwords. It's a password manager. What you would do, you would set your password up, keep it organized, and setting password on the internet. Yes, what they do for the website now, when you put in your password for any website, even Amazon, you use Amazon, you log into your banking account, they have a two-step factor authentication. I use it because if somebody get in your account, try to hack in your account, I would always say they're gonna set that up the email when you set your email account because they might know your password, but that second layer of security, that enable two-factor authentication, it's like okay, you get a text message from your phone, from your smart. They send you a text message from your smartphone, then it say okay, this code, they give you a code, it's a 4-digit code, a 5-digit code, and then you actually write that in the browser. I like it because if somebody capture your password and if they don't have your email, your phone number through your smartphone to get that second layer of security, that two-factor authentication layer of security, they can't get in your account. And I really like that layer, especially if you have any personal information like your bank account. When people doing online banking, that security is a game changer. That second layer of security that is called enable two-factor authentication. It's that's the second layer of security. Once you get your password, then they're gonna send you a 4-digit code to your smartphone or text, and then you just type it in, and then that's the second layer. I call it a game changer. I use that when I'm doing online banking. Asking for a particular how to back up your data. Yes, I have an external hard drive. You can get this from Anchor. I got this from Amazon. It's I don't know if everyone can see it right here. This is an external backup system. You can back up your data here, and this is through Anchor. I got it through Amazon. Because most of my pictures and most of my important information is not really on my hard drive. It's on this particular external hard drive, a backup system right here, particular backup system here. I use this Anchor here. This is external hard drive right here. I use it to back up all my personal information and my folders and everything, because if you have all your folders, you don't want to back up from your computer system, back up on your hard drive, on the desktop or your laptop, and it free up a lot of space. And if something happened, your hard drive, physical hard drive, or your desktop computer or laptop crash, and then that this is a great backup system right here. Great backup system, yeah. And I recommend anyone looking for one to get a 1 terabyte, 1 terabyte of it. That's give you a buck for your buck. It can store a whole lot of information with that 1 terabyte of hard drive. Okay, so here. Okay, that's the end of Q&A. I know everyone. Thanks for everyone coming to visit my streaming. I know everyone busy. They want to get back to watching football. I know it's a busy night. Everybody's out and about. I'm glad the real who grew my streaming. I thank everyone who grew my streaming. It's on Facebook, YouTube. Thank you very much to visit my streaming. Uh, I'm gonna type a little link on here. I'm gonna thank you if you can give me a tip or a little donation. That will help my cause to educate everyone and how to use technology and prevent everyone to make your life a little bit better. Prevent you any security, and I would also like to use that and educate everybody about technology and the benefit and the pitfall of technology. You have the good aspect of technology, and you have the bad aspect of technology. And this will help me out in my streaming and help me up with software and all that there. I'm gonna put up the link right up here. Okay. I have another website I work on. I'm a software engineer. Database design. I work on websites, and I have two. Two websites. I have another blog, Denver Tech blog, and then I have another website, another portfolio website, Denver Portfolio DenverDigitalPortfolio.com. That's another site I'm working on there. You can take a look on that both sites, Denver Tech blog and Denver Digital Portfolio. You can check on those two sites. I'm working on that there, and I have a couple of projects based in my aspect of what I'm working on software engineer, AI, machine learning, DevOps, software automation. I'm working in that particular area there. Okay, I think I had clicked the link right there. You can go and check that out right there. That's a pretty good donation page. Let me scan this again. Yeah, I'm working on particularly I want to ask I'm working on my stream. It's big as Streamlabs. Streamlabs. And that's the streaming I'm working on right there. But I'm still working on the links on the site. On what aspect, you have the learning curve. You have to learn this particular software. I'm working on learning this particular software. It's called Streamlabs. Streamlabs.com. Okay, click it right there. It's a requirement because I'm working on Facebook. I'm clicking on Facebook. I'm working on Facebook. I'm working on multiple chat rooms. I'm gonna have YouTube. I have a YouTube chat room set up, and I have a Facebook chat room set up. I'm setting that up right there. Both email. I would like the streaming so far. I really enjoy streaming. I had a couple of practice stream I did. And I just love to talk to people, love to share my experience in technology and love to people benefit from technology and I'm just a problem solver. I love to solve problems. Technology solve problems. I just particularly enjoy helping people solve their technology problems. What's the issue in technology? And I love that there. Yes, I have a couple of contact. How I prepare my streaming? Yes, basically I just doing. I do a kind of write out what's going to be my content. Some people just say, but me, I write it out and what I'm gonna do as a contact. I write my contact out, find out what issues is big. I've spent a couple of time streaming on internet cybersecurity. I say that's one of the most important area of people having problems. Both companies, organizations, schools, banks, uh, getting the data compromised, and that's the most important thing. Cybersecurity. A lot of people, computers getting viruses on there, and it's really serious. Cybersecurity it's a big thing now. It's a big demand for people who's a cybersecurity expert. To find out, but most of them, everything's getting technology, especially the smart houses, homes, where everything's equipped by connected to the internet. Where everything's connected to the internet, it's open field to be for scammers and attackers on the internet. So I say it's most important to have that second layer of security, the authentication I explained to you. Uh, Getting a code sent to your smartphone by text. And that's the second layer of security when you logging into your account, your bank, when you're doing online banking. That's the most. Or when you, or Amazon, you log in your Amazon account or your Netflix account, Roku account. It's the second layer of authentication. But I know most important is the Amazon account and what you're doing online banking. You have that second layer of security when you're, especially doing online banking. That's a second layer of security. Or you're going on Amazon, set up your Amazon account. It's the second layer of security there. Okay, everyone. I know it's late and everybody's watching the game, and I'm going to watch a couple of games. I'm going to check out that Michigan game, Michigan and Washington game on TV. I'm going to enjoy the rest of the night, everyone, and you be safe. And we'll do another work on another stream. You'll see me next Saturday. We'll work on another stream. Pick up another contact with it on my continue in the cybersecurity area. I might pick another type of list. Basically, with the topic was needed was the issue in security, with issue in information technology. I make a contact of it